Okay, welcome. So this is our system. In case you are just joining us, when you visit our main page, you'll find these three buttons here. You can log in. So if you have a password, you will log in using your number, phone number, and password which we give you. And you can also see which subjects we offer. So here you see these subjects. So there are about 14 subjects which you can be helped. So you come back, and if you want to pay, you can visit this page. So here you will enter your name, and here you can put your email. If you don't have the email, no problem, you can just put your name. Then what you do, you click pay. So when you click pay, it takes you here. So you can use Airtel Money, or you can use Mpamba, or you can use the bank. If you have the card, for example, you can enter your card, your name, expiry date of your card, and the CVV. This is the number which is found behind the card. So you can use that. If it is Airtel Money or Mpamba, you can use here. So just make sure you put your number, then it will deduct it from you. So after that, we come back. So when you log in here, for example, as a student, you log in here. So after putting password and whatever, so it takes you here. So this is form 1. In case this is form 1. So here as a form 1 student, you find these dashboards are the same. The only difference is content. So here, if you look at this button, learning video classes. So video classes, when I get here, I will find this is form 1 dashboard. So these are all the subjects in form 1, and there are 14. So what you have to know is that we haven't yet started videos, but little by little we'll be uploading videos, and very soon you will have it all. So don't worry, but you can open agriculture, so it will give you all the topics. So don't worry, here we haven't yet started, but very soon we'll do that. So if you go through this one, you'll find a lot of so you come back, but here you will find all the notes. So the notes are complete if you are in Form 1, for example, or other classes. So if you visit, you find all these are notes which you can make use of. So for example, chemistry, you open it. If you have any questions, you can type a question here. You have the answer here. And these are the topics which you can go through on your own. So which is very good for you. And in terms of quiz, you have quiz here. So you have the quiz here, which you can do on your own. And you have the assignments, which you can do on your own and get helped. So all these are for you. So this is how you can use it. So if you want everything, so if you don't see the videos on the videos page, don't worry, be busy with this page. Once we upload, you'll be seeing that the videos will be tripping. So very soon you'll do that. But this will be a very powerful page that you will understand and appreciate what we have kept for you. So for example, you see history, it means all these will be videos. So here you will not have notes, but you will see videos sometimes with quiz. So it's a process. I hope I've made myself clear, and this will help you a lot. Thank you.